Hey guys, welcome to another Red Rock Crawler video. Today we're going to be looking at a new cage cover. I ordered this a long time ago and it's finally here, so I'm pretty excited to get it put on. The company's called cagecovers.com, and you should check them out because they have lots of cool colors and different patterns that you can get to replace your stock roll cage cover. Because this cage cover is supposed to be a lot better as far as fade resistant and weather resistant. The factory roll cover is faded quite a bit, and I'm sure all you guys have seen that. Let's check it out. Let's see what we got in the box. Alright, look at that. It's pretty close. The inside has this like neoprene foam liner. And all the stitching looks really good. The zippers look great. Looks pretty good. Let's get it put on. I have this bikini top on. Gotta take that off first, obviously, to get to it. So we're just working on that. Gotta get this all off, and then the stock cage cover has to come off. So we moved this outside because there's more light out here, and there's just more room to work. So we're just getting started with the removal of the factory cover, and as you can see, you're going to have to remove your top, obviously. I removed the doors just to make it a little bit easier. So this removal seems pretty simple, but there are a couple things you have to work around, like the seat belt mounts and also the B-pillar here, and then the sound bar as well. We took the sound bar out so that we can get into the cover itself. This here. Yeah. Just taking out the sun visors. There's a piece of plastic here that right here that I want to be able to get into so that so I can just pull it down and pull the cover out. Okay, so I have the rear seatbelt brackets off and the A-pillar little plastic covers, whatever those are. I've taken those off so I can get into the zipper area there, and we're pretty much ready to unzip and put the new one in. Can't tell you guys how awesome my wife is. Even with a crying baby, she was there to help me film. This install is a pretty straightforward process. You just unzip the old one and zip the new one on. Just be careful as you're working around that dome light. You don't want to damage it. Okay, so I thought I'd show you where we're at right now. Probably the hardest part so far was the light back here. There's no slits or anything, so you just have to work it around the little housing for this light, and that's kind of a pain to get in, but then you just start zipping it up. Some of the zippers are really hard to get to. You kind of have to play with which zipper to do first, to get it on. But so far, I really like the fit, and it's nice and snug, and man, it's gonna look good. Alright, so we're working on the back portions here. It's kind of hard to get started, but once you get them going, they go pretty good. I don't know what to do with like this excess zipper. See, like this here, this zipper is really hard to get together. Just not sure. sure which way these go. Can't decide. These aren't labeled, so I don't know. There's got to be one, you know, for the driver's side and one for the passenger side. I'm having a hard time deciding which one is which. Losing daylight quickly, I decided to move it back into the garage. Okay, I'm just going to show you where we're at right now. This back and driver's side is pretty much on. This is kind of a pain to get around, is these little spots here. I finally figured out which side went to what. It'd be nice if they labeled them, you know. Some like on the inside maybe labeled it driver's and passenger side. But anyway, those are in. So I've still got passenger side to do. So we'll get over there and get that put on. So we finished it up last night, and I thought I'd wait till this morning to show you. The quality of the fabric is really nice. The zippers are really nice. They're a lot sturdier than the factory zippers. And the fabric overall looks really nice. I like it. It looked really good. I think it adds a really nice touch to the Red Rock crawler rig. Just stand back here a little bit so you can kind of see it. So this whole section back here is one piece, and then these two are just individual pieces. So you have to Velcro this together, and then there's zippers that kind of connect them. Alright, well let me know what you guys think. Well, thanks for watching everybody. I hope you liked this video. As you can see, it's a pretty simple install. And thanks again to the guys from CageCovers.com. We think it adds a real nice touch to the Jeep.